Welcome to our roundup of the best panini presses for home. Versatile kitchen appliances designed to help you make crispy, golden sandwiches, grilled meals, and quick snacks with ease. Whether you're preparing classic paninis, grilled cheese, or even meats and vegetables, a reliable panini press can transform your everyday cooking experience. Modern panini presses come with non-stick plates, floating hinges, even heat distribution, and multifunction capabilities that allow them to work as grills or griddles as well. Many models also include indicator lights, removable drip trays, and compact designs for easy storage and cleaning. Choosing the right panini press can improve cooking consistency, save time, and deliver cafe-quality results right at home. Let's take a closer look at some of the best panini presses available right now. Starting with the Ovent Panini Press. This model is a great option for users looking for a compact, affordable, and easy-to-use appliance with reliable performance for quick meals and everyday use. It typically features a lightweight design with non-stick coated plates that allow for smooth food release and easy cleaning after use. The 750-watt heating system ensures quick heating and efficient cooking, making it suitable for simple sandwiches, snacks, and light grilling tasks. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or limited counter space where portability matters. Many users appreciate its simplicity, fast heating, and budget-friendly value for everyday cooking needs. Additionally, it delivers consistent performance and dependable results for light use. It also improves convenience, enhances portability, and supports quick meal preparation. Next up is the OSTBA Panini Press, a versatile and dependable option designed for users who want a larger cooking surface and better performance for regular home use. This model typically features a 1,200-watt heating system and a spacious cooking area that allows you to prepare multiple sandwiches at once. It often includes adjustable temperature control, giving users better flexibility for cooking different types of food with more precision. The non-stick plates help ensure easy cleaning, while the 180-degree opening design allows it to be used as a flat grill for added versatility. Many users appreciate its strong heating performance and ability to handle thicker sandwiches with ease. Additionally, it provides steady cooking results and reliable performance over time. It also improves versatility, enhances control, and supports multi-purpose cooking. Moving on to the Chefman Electric Panini Press. This model is known for its balanced performance, practical design, and user-friendly features for everyday cooking. It typically features non-stick coated plates and a 180-degree opening design, allowing it to function both as a panini press and a flat grill for cooking a variety of foods. The compact yet functional design makes it suitable for small to medium-sized kitchens without taking up too much space. Many versions include a removable drip tray that helps collect excess grease, making cleanup easier and more efficient. Users often appreciate its versatility and consistent performance across different cooking tasks. Additionally, it delivers reliable heating and even cooking results. It also enhances usability, improves flexibility, and supports everyday meal preparation. Stepping up in performance, the Hamilton Beach Panini Press offers a strong balance of size, performance, and reliability for families and frequent users. This model typically features a large cooking surface that can handle multiple sandwiches at once, making it ideal for preparing meals for more than one person. It includes a floating lid design that adjusts to the thickness of the sandwich, ensuring even pressure and consistent cooking results. The non-stick plates provide easy cleanup, while the upright storage option helps save space when not in use. Many users appreciate its durability and ability to deliver evenly toasted sandwiches with good grill marks. Additionally, it delivers efficient cooking performance and consistent results across different meals. It also improves capacity, enhances convenience, and supports family use. Taking the top spot is the Cuisinart Griddler Panini Press, a highly advanced and versatile option designed for maximum performance, flexibility, and long-term use. This model typically features removable non-stick plates, a floating hinge system, and the ability to open flat into a full grill, making it much more than just a panini press. It offers multiple cooking functions, allowing users to prepare sandwiches, grill meats, cook vegetables, and more using a single appliance. Many versions also include indicator lights and easy controls for better usability. Experts often highlight Cuisinart models as top choices due to their versatility and consistent cooking performance across different foods. Users appreciate its durability, powerful performance, and multi-purpose design for everyday cooking. Additionally, it delivers fast, even cooking results with reliable operation. It also stands out for its versatility, advanced features, and overall value. All of these Panini presses serve different needs depending on size, features, and usage. The Ovent model offers compact simplicity and affordability. The OSTBA model provides stronger performance and larger capacity. The Chefman model delivers balanced versatility and ease of use. The Hamilton Beach model offers reliable performance with family-sized cooking capacity. And the Cuisinart Griddler stands out as the most versatile and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best Panini presses for home. From compact budget-friendly options to advanced multifunctional appliances designed for better performance. Whether you're making quick snacks, preparing full meals, or upgrading your kitchen setup, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy perfectly grilled sandwiches with the right Panini press.